It was the not-so-magic combination that no one likes. Temps in the teens combined with high winds. 22 News reporter Haley Crumbleholm heard from people who had to deal with the wind chills in the single digits today.
If you spent any time outside today, you know that it was frigid. And it wasn't just cold temperatures, but a strong wind that was to blame. Everywhere you went today, that strong wind was evident. You could see flags standing straight out and smoke whipping away from chimneys. If people were outside, they were moving fast and wearing lots of protection from the windswept cold. This was definitely a day for hats, scarves, hoods, and down jackets and coats.
It's freezing out here. It's a bundle up like now. Got 2 pair of jackets on, and then put on like double pair of socks to keep myself warm.
I don't mind the cold. It's just the wind that's behind it, so it's intense.
And sometimes when it gets cold and it rains, it gets icy. It makes it hard to walk. And I fell down last year, and I can't fall down again.
And if you didn't like today, you probably won't care for tomorrow's weather either. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Brian Lapis is forecasting temperatures in the 30s with a bit of a breeze. And instead of wind chill around 0, it will likely be in the teens tomorrow, so you'll want to bundle up. In Springfield, Haley Crumbleholm, 22 News.